now we're going to the sighting animals. A goat. Yes. Oh, there you have a pee-pee. Look at that. You see? Alright, it's the goat. Now, oh, this is the cow over there. Let's go to the cow. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, he's so big. See, a cow. Hey, cow. I'm gonna take you a picture with the cow. Come on, let's go there. Look, Mark. Look, Mark. Uy.
Mark can't do that. So it'll be like an episode ridiculous.
Okay, so that it's big. All right. Hello, goats.
We are not playing with this.
He eat it. He eat it. Ah.
Hey, bite, buddy. You don't want to put your fingers there, buddy.
There. See cheese. See
You have goats in
cheese.
the Philippines?
Yes.
Like this?
Yeah. Brown.
Brown goats?
Yeah. Brown. Kinda. There's some different like.
Liam, don't feed it pine straw. Come here. Y'all do not feed it pine straw. Come here.
Oh my God.
Stop. You're not feeding the goat pine straw.
All right. That's a cow. That's a cow. There's a cow in there. What was that? Georgia? Who's calling me Georgia?
Am I calling you?
Yeah, Georgia. Georgia. Oh, what is in the here? Animal observation area. Oh, if you wanna pay for this. There is Mike's farm.
Animal observation area. Belted Galloway Oreo cows. Elsie Mae and Thelma Lou.
Ah, Mark, you wanna Hello. Do not pet or feed animals by hand. Mark, you see that? Don't.
They probably bite your whole hand.
Marky.
Hey.
Wait, baby, don't put that one. Maybe he gonna doing like this. Oh. Oh, they come here because you are in here. Come on, give some food. Hold on, guys. You have a food in here. You are too big. You have a lot of meat. Hey, what is your name? Okay, moo. Moo.
Put a quarter in here.
It's broken?
Yeah, I can't put it, yeah.
Oh, well, it's a donut feed.
Oh, thank you, Sam.
Moo. Oh, yes, a big eyes. Sorry, we cannot get food.
Yeah.
See? Oh,
So
no.
cool.
What about apples? We got apples.
We do not. Mmm. Mmm. Huh? Alright. Hold on, okay? Hold on. Marky. Hala. Hala. Ah! Oh, give
Hey,
the
he ate
other
the
one.
apple.
Yeah.
She, the female, they're she.
Yeah, get the other. Give me other one.
They ate the apple.
Okay. Hold on. Hold on. There. Okay.
Okay, there.
Oh,
I'm gonna start.
give me one. Baby, how about you wanna feed? Give to daddy. Mark, do not put your...
Don't put your hand in
Give
there
me.
so you see how wet their mouths are. No, just put.
Hurry.
Elsie, Thelma.
Elsie May. Whoa! Oh my god. I thought...
How do you think they can reach this far?
Elsie.
Can they eat this cord?
Yes.
Okay, let me just.
No, you need to hop for them.
I
Oh.
broke it in half.
Okay.
Look. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Okay, there we go. Now
Okay.
time for yours.
Hold on. Oh, it's a big one. Yay.
Okay,
Happy?
What if they ate one of our pumpkins
Okay.
when we're not?
All right, let's go.
All right.
No,
you have-
they didn't eat the pumpkin. There's some
Oh
pumpkin
my
there.
goodness, their mouth is so
Bye.
Their mouths are wet.
Yeah.
Thelma and Elsie.
Yeah, their name is Elsie May and Thelma Lou. All right, let's go.
You know,
Bye.
in India, they're worth a lot of money. You know, they worship cows.
All right. Who is Elsie May and Thelma
I
Lou?
think they're.
Belted Galloway cow, or Oreo cows. So
Yeah,
like
because-
the color of an
Yeah, Oreo.
cookie.
Hey, Elsie May. Are you Elsie May?
Or are you?
Hey, Thelma. Hey, Thelma Lou.
Hold on.
Who is Thelma here?
I think she's coming because she's going.
Hey,
here.
Thelma.
Oh, I think.
Hi, Thelma. I guess. Hi, Thelma.
She's short. She's short.
I guess this one is pregnant. Oh, what is that? Yeah. Hi, Thelma. Hi, Esley. Esley? I don't know who which. All right, let's go there. Huge. Hello, Marky.
Wow.
Hello.
Hello. But her.
Hello,
Oh, Mark.
Marky. Gonna like you.
She gonna lick you, son.
All right.
Haha, you didn't get.
Okay, we're gonna go to the other one. The
Come on, son. Hi, Thelma. Hi, Elsie. Hopefully next time.
Make sure we bring for them.
all right. So
Yeah.
over there, there's a big
What one? Don't touch it.
pumpkin.
Okay, you got common sense. That's like for the animal, like if the animals try to escape,
Yeah.
and the goats or cows they try to escape, and you shock them.
And do not touch.
Be like the boy from Jurassic Park.
So let me see here if there's a donkey. Where's the donkey here?
I saw it before.
Yeah, it's over there.
Where?
In the first.
Where? I don't see it.
The first over there. There, the donkey. See?
Oh yeah, I see it.
So the donkey is over there.
They're far away though.
Ew, wala tang pupo there.
Where?
There. There, pupo.
Oh.
Wait, do not touch there, Marky.
Oh.
Alright.
I almost thought that was the regular fence. I almost touched it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's there.
He does like Donkey from Shrek.
Look, it's a lot of poop. See that?
Please do not throw garbage and leftover food to the animals. Allah, you threw it to the animals.
Look, Marky donkey. There, oh.
Oh, lizard!
There's the donkey. Hi, donkey.
Hey, donkey, don't touch the fence. No, don't touch it.
I mean, we can't touch it either, son. Well, y'all gonna be shocked.
Hi, donkey. Where is Olaf?
Olaf?
Olaf.
That's we talking about Olaf.
I asking if.
Elsa.
That's
Oh yeah.
That's the wrong movie.
Where is?
Shrek.
Where is Shrek? Where's your best friend?
Mark, get away from that, son.
Mark, do not.
The electric fence, son.
Okay, come on. Come on, come on. Marky, take a picture. 1, 2, 3. Stand up. Go. Mark, stand up.
Now you can't pet them, son. 'cause you
Mark,
get
stand
shot.
up. Okay, in front of me. Faster, in front of me. 1, 2, 3.
My first time.
Yeah, you can look.
But yeah, you
1,
can
2,
look at me.
3.
You can't touch them because of the electric fence, son.
1,
You'll get
2,
shocked.
3.
If not, the animal's they're gonna run away. That's why
Open
you
your
gotta-
eyes. 1, 2, 3.
The sun.
Look at in here. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Not
Not like that, boy. What's wrong with you?
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Where'd the other donkey go?
Hey, donkey, boo boo.
Where'd the other donkey go?
Okay, at least.
I didn't
That's
see
it
the
now.
other donkey.
Come on, let's go. It's over there. Oh. Say you wanna?
What if there was a horror movie called Mutant Donkey? Mutant Donkey.
Why is it flinching so much? Like,
To the langaw to take away on the body.
no, the legs.
Yeah, that's why.
Or else like it's twitching.
Alright, I guess we can go now. That's it. Alright, guys. So, this is the last. Yeah, in Kirkman farm is a
Why
lot.
does it look mad?
There's what they call peacock. Anything.
They have more than Mike's Farm.
Yeah, there's a lot.
But Mike's Farm is a restaurant here. But
Yeah.
you're right.
Let's go.
Marky, do not touch that fence, son.
Let's go now, Marky. You
All
wanna
right,
see a
please,
little
the
bit?
Onslow Memorial Hospital. Your heart
Okay,
stopped.
go baby. I'm gonna take your picture. 1, 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in our next video. Bye. We're here right now eating at the Cracker Barrel.
I want to get some dinner. I want to bring some dinner back here.
What
Think
kind?
about maybe Cajun seafood for later for the seafood. Like Cajun seafood for dinner?
So yeah.
I don't do cereal. I do cereal when I work. Yeah.
So this is our lunch here. We have what is this? Butter chicken or Louisiana? Butter chicken and meatloaf.
It's called Sunday fried chicken.
Yeah, Sunday fried chicken. Have green turnip and mac and cheese. We have bear in there for him. Marker.